What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm kind of bumming it in sweatpants and just kind of chilling, but I'm going to be bringing the body of the Naskart actually into my kitchen on this little buffet right here, and we're gonna strip it all down because we're gonna get ready to prep this thing for our personal paint scheme. All right, let's get the garage door open. And I'm gonna have to bring this through my front door because it's not gonna fit up the garage. Well, that was quick and easy. Let's get it on top of the buffet. This looks freaking hilarious, sitting inside my kitchen on the buffet, but it's cold outside and I kind of want to get all these stickers off. Some of these are just stupid. Where's that stupid Spider-Man thing? Yeah, like all these are coming off. I actually ordered a bunch of stickers for sponsors. Welcome.
Daddy.
What?
That's Daddy.
Daddy's doing something he's probably going to get in trouble for. Trying this macaroni and cheese pizza for dinner. And I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse and start slowly trying to get this stuff off, I guess. Okay. Not gonna lie, this is taking a lot longer than what I thought it would have. So it's kind of a pain in the ass. So if you guys are bored with this, go ahead and click off the video. But I'm going to get all this stuff off no matter how freaking long it takes. Lots of music and time lapses. I apologize, but this is unfortunately part of the process. Now, I'm not worried about residue or anything like that because, truthfully, the whole thing's getting sanded anyway. But I wanted to try to get as much of the stickers off as possible. And, yeah, it's definitely being a pain in the ass. Not sure how I feel about this, but, some of the areas that I'm running into problems, like wherever there's nicks, it's obviously not pulling off smooth, and there's nicks, like, all over the freaking place. So, this has since cooled down. I'm going to refuel myself. And we'll get back to it here in a minute. What are you doing? Hi. I love you. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you want some pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna try this new pizza. Let me know how it is, okay? Okay. Ah.
Daddy.
Yeah, well, don't push the chair into me. That pizza sucks. I'm gonna keep eating it, but it sucks. I know. You guys don't want to sit here and watch all this stuff. So I'm actually going to skip ahead and hopefully get this side done by the time that you guys see me next. Alrighty guys, so a little bit of time has passed, and as you can see, the majority of the stickers are off on this side. This stuff down here actually is a sticker, but it's just that gnarled up. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get off. So I might kind of procrastinate doing this section. But got the top of the deck lid done on the back here. We have to do the whole back side, and unfortunately, this whole freaking side jet, plus pretty much the whole hood and the front. So, yeah, there's a lot of freaking stickers on here, guys. Round two. Kinsley's here to help me. We still have quite a little bit to do, so we're gonna knock this out real quick, and hopefully she doesn't run into me with a chair like she did yesterday. Well, there's still some on here, but for the most part, everything is off with the exception of the vinyl down on the bottom, which is blue. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a walk around so you guys can see the actual body. You guys can see right there. Really a pain in the butt, and I'll show you guys why. So obviously with this being down at the bottom, this is what's going to be smacking off the ground if you do hit something. So all these little nicks and stuff like that are just making this a pain in the ass to get off, and like you're only getting tiny sections off at a time. Like this is actually probably like 5 different sections that I pulled off of here, and it is the same all the way around. You can see there's quite a bit of residue, which I do have stuff that can get residue off, but like I said previously, I'm not too worried about it. But look around here, everything other than that bottom portion, all the way around the car, is off. And let me tell you, I never want to do something like this again, because that was a major pain in the ass. I feel like when the stickers were initially put on this thing, and like when we put our stickers on, like it was so much fun to like design it yourself, but obviously I don't think the previous owner had any intentions of ever pulling this stuff off, and it comes to show why, because that was very time consuming. Honestly, multiple hours peeling these stickers and the vinyl off of here was not fun whatsoever. Next time, I'm literally just, I won't do it. I'll just sand everything down. But as I was saying, like in reference to the residue and stuff like that, everything's going to get sanded. Not worried about that. I'm going to try to sand the blue thin layer down on the bottom, see if that comes out. We actually did find one crack in the body though. Right up top here is one little crack that was somewhat puttied back together. Not a very large crack at all, but while we have everything apart, we might as well just try to smooth that over. Look on the inside, see what it's like if we have to redo like their little fix job, which honestly doesn't seem all that bad. There's a couple little bubbles on the back side, but that is completely okay because we're gonna have everything torn apart. Let's see if we can actually see it up and through here. Yeah, you can see it's just kind of gummy, but yeah, no, I mean, other than that, the body is in very good shape. Like some of these cracks are just gonna sand out. I did teeter the idea of refiberglassing some of the stuff in the front, but truthfully, this is so minimal. I'm really not that worried about it. I mean, it is soft right here, so I might just put like a little bit back here to support it. Like this is very sturdy, where this is, I don't know if you can see, like my thumb's actually pushing that in. Might do that, might not 100% sure, because I'm not honestly that sure how much we're going to be using the body, especially once we have it up in New York and on the family's track. Not really sure how much of the body is actually going to be used. So the body's truthfully just going to be for more show. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video all the way through. If you did watch it all the way through, it wasn't the most entertaining video, but it is part of the process of building this NASCAR. So why not do a video on it? And those that really want to follow the process of it, watch this video all the way through. So if you did watch all the way through, drop a comment down below saying that you did. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.